Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is particularly useful when you need to replicate forms, templates, or any page layout multiple times within the same document without having to recreate everything from scratch. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access your files and tools. From here, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the PDF documents you've been working on lately, making it easy to locate the file you need quickly. Select the PDF file that contains the page you want to duplicate. Once the document opens, you'll see your PDF displayed in the main viewing area. Now, look at the upper left toolbar where you'll find various options for managing your document. Navigate to All Tools. This will open up a comprehensive menu of all the features and functions available in Adobe Acrobat Pro. In the left panel, you'll see a list of tools organized by category. Click on Organize Pages. This tool is essential for managing your PDF structure as it allows you to add, delete, rearrange, and duplicate pages with ease. The Organize Pages view will display all your documents' pages as thumbnails, making it simple to work with individual pages. Click on the page you want to duplicate. You'll notice it becomes highlighted to show it's selected. Now, look for the three dotted lines icon, which typically appears near the selected page or in the toolbar. Click on these three dots, and from the menu that appears, select Copy. This action places a copy of your selected page into the system's clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Right-click on the page you just copied. This will bring up another context menu with several options. From this menu, select Paste. The duplicated page will now appear in your document, typically right after the original page. You can continue this process as many times as needed if you want multiple copies of the same page throughout your document. Once you're satisfied with your duplications, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This ensures all your changes are preserved. Your document now contains the duplicated pages exactly where you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.